This video will guide you on how to restore iPhone bookmarks from iTunes backup and provide detailed steps. Part 1. How to restore iPhone bookmarks from iTunes backup using iTunes data loss. iTunes is Apple's official tool for backup and recovery, allowing you to restore a full backup to your iPhone, including bookmarks. However, this method can overwrite all current data on your device, so be sure to back up important data first. Step 1. Open iTunes on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable, and tap Trust this computer on your device. Step 3. Once iTunes detects your device, click the device icon in the top left corner. Step 4. Go to the summary page and click Restore Backup. Step 5. From the list of available backups, select one that contains your Safari bookmarks. Step 6. Click Restore and wait for the process to complete. Step 7. Once the restoration is finished, your iPhone will restart, and the bookmarks from the backup will be restored. Part 2. How to selectively recover iPhone bookmarks from iTunes backup. No data loss. To recover lost Safari bookmarks without affecting current data, using a third-party tool like Coolmuster, iPhone data recovery is a better option. It allows selective extraction from iTunes backups, letting you browse, preview, and export content without connecting your iPhone, thus avoiding data overwriting. Step 1. Download and launch iPhone data recovery, then select the Recover from iTunes Backup File tab on the left. Initially, it will scan the default iTunes backup location on your computer. Choose a backup file from the list on the interface, and click the Start Scan button. Step 2. Next, check the box for Safari bookmarks and click the Start Scan icon at the bottom right. Step 3. After scanning, select the specific Safari bookmarks you wish to recover. Finally, click the Recover to Computer button to restore the files from the iTunes backup.